what's really going on. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, currently Cardano, making its way towards support here still. Price action looking to be, making its way downward here toward the immediate short-term target as potential technical support. $1.57 per Cardano is, waiting for price action as potential support. We need daily candles interacting with it, opening and closing above it to further confirm it as support and use it as a potential bullish area of accumulation. Failure to hold this technical key level, though, will bring us all the way down to a lower technical key level of potential support. We have $1.19, in my opinion, is still going to be a bullish area of accumulation for Cardano, in my opinion, because we do have examples of price action experiencing some very bullish buy pressure near that range, and after support was found from that level, we did make our way to the $3 level where we just came from here. So definitely some technical key factors in place, contributing to the sort of longer term uptrend of Cardano in its coming lifetime here. However, technically, we have been looking for the most bullish area of accumulation ever since these most significant sell signals back throughout September here. As we can see, a bullish area of accumulation near this support down by $1.18. EngineeringRobo suggested, a bullish area of accumulation near $1.36 when two of our chosen three Robo advisors came into play. After those buy signals, we experienced up to 126% in gains over the following 30 days, easily well over doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy signals. And if you weren't able to sell above at or around that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 67% ROI when EngineeringRobo became bearish on Cardano, suggesting a more bullish area of accumulation is to present itself. And as we can see, since those sell signals, we have currently experienced up to 26% in downside over the following months here as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation. So we are still looking for support. As we can see, Cardano was bullish enough to print this buy 4 on the November 9th daily candle here. So Cardano definitely wants to be bullish, and there is a demand for Cardano at current levels, and the buy pressure is present. However, technically it just may not be ready yet. We are still looking for further solidification of support, and even through this move here, as we interacted with significant technical resistance at $2.18, I was suggesting this was still resistance, and I would anticipate continued interaction with support even after this buy signal came into play. And so we are still awaiting, two of our chosen three Robo advisors to become bullish on price action. Further confirmation of support is necessary while we're watching out for buy pressure near $1.57. Failure to hold that level will bring us all the way down to $1.19, in my opinion, an even stronger and more bullish area of support that allowed us to, find support and interact with the $3 level kind of a month later, the last time we interacted with it. So looking for further support off of this key level. Let me know down below where you think Cardano will go. What are your thoughts on price action currently? Now, Decred against Tether, price action interacting with what appears to be support here. We do have this sort of bit of a channel we've been accumulating within. Significant resistance overhead present for us. $114, in my opinion, is waiting for us as resistance. We're needing daily candles opening and closing above it to confirm it as support. We're looking for potential technical support down below at $101. That is going to be a bullish area of accumulation waiting for us. So here we are interacting with one of our chosen three Robo advisors becoming bullish on price action on the 12th of November here, suggesting buy pressure is coming into play through this phase of sideways. Currently, we are under the influence of some more significant sell signals ever since the sort of second weeks of September here. Two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bearish, and we've experienced up to 28% in downside over the following 2 weeks. Currently, still, 20% down since those sell signals came into play as we await the most bullish area of accumulation, which may be near current levels based off of recent price action here. We do see buy pressure is very much present, and a buy signal has come into play. We see the buy 4 interacting with price action throughout the beginning of October. However, the sell 4 and sell 1 returned throughout the end of October there, suggesting a more bullish area of accumulation to present itself. But I do believe this interaction with buy signals does suggest the buy pressure and significance of this range overall. So I do believe as the uptrend forms here, we are watching watching out for the interactions with support to use them as a bullish area of accumulation. Price is currently below this 200 daily moving average, suggesting sell pressure, giving price action a hard time overall as well. So that is contributing to the current sideways throughout this phase of accumulation, but do believe with technical support down below, once these confirmations have been met and once we've seen some buy signals come into play, we can be more comfortably bullish on the return of the uptrend here. So once we've broken $114 as resistance, we're watching out for $137 as potential resistance, in my opinion, as we make our way up to my most significant target here for this coin in the immediate sort of short term will be $177 once we've broken that initial aforementioned 114. So we always wait for these technical key confirmations. In my opinion, we are nearing support and the beginning of what appears to be an uptrend. Once further support has been solidified, let me know where you think prices will go down below. Now, BAR against USD. What do we have here? Prices making its way downward here toward what appears to be the sort of last local level of bullish support here on the Binance chart. We have an interaction with this low near $11.69 on the 23rd of May of this year, and so we see price action currently returning to previous levels. We can see tremendous buy pressure coming off of that range with our previous interaction from it. It sent price action all the way up to my immediate short-term target for this coin and most significant area of resistance, $21.42 in my opinion. That is going to be resistance waiting for us overhead and my immediate short-term target once support has been found. We have some key levels along the way to consider as well. $14.67 in addition to $17.07 are going to be two key levels that I am anticipating interaction with as well once we start making our way upward here. Currently still looking for support near the aforementioned 1169 level. So right now we are interacting with a descending weekly trend line, so I do believe we are still in technically what appears to be a downtrend, but in my opinion we are nearing support, and I do anticipate the uptrend forming here once further support has been sort of confirmed. So let me know down below where you think price action will go. Currently we are in this downtrend at the moment. We are waiting for the solidification of support and the breakout and perhaps retest to fully confirm a bullish area of accumulation. We also need some buy signals to return. We have been under the influence of sell signals ever since the end of August. This previous combination of Robo advisors showing a bullish area of accumulation near $16.75 allowed you to see up to 75% in gains after that area of accumulation over the following 25 days. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high there, this combination of Robo advisors suggested you take profit near $20.38, allowing you to capitalize on 21% ROI with EngineeringRobo's sell signals. And as you can see, since we've become bearish on price action, we have currently experienced up to 41% in downside over the following kind of months here as we await the most bullish area of accumulation. And so right now we're looking for technical support, a break of this downtrend, and some buy signals before we can be comfortably accumulating. I just anticipate support is near current levels in my opinion, and EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick 3 of the many different Robo advisors available, and once 2 of your chosen 3 give you a bullish or bearish suggestion, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. And so at the moment we are under the influence of sell signals, so we await for these technical key confirmations. In my opinion, let me know down below where you think prices will go. Now, Ethereum price action still sideways here, experiencing tremendous buy pressure as we reestablish support, currently under the influence of sell signals. Have no fear though, support is here. We have technical key level below $4,201 per Ethereum waiting for support confirmations. We have resistance overhead, sell pressure at $4,371 per Ethereum. We also have newly printed key level there waiting for us as potential resistance, $4,607 as well overhead, waiting to give us a hard time before we can really see some very euphoric gains. This is a very bullish phase of sideways still, and the most bullish area of accumulation is awaiting us all the way down at $3,923 per Ethereum. So let me know down below where you think prices will go. It's very hard to be bearish in my personal opinion. Currently we are waiting for further confirmations of support and buy signals to return to be more comfortably bullish on the upside, but in my opinion this is a very bullish interaction with support and a retracement in what is an overall uptrend. And I do believe these retracements and pullbacks towards support are very much necessary for the health of the longer term uptrend. So the more sideways and downside that we experience kind of moving forward, in my opinion, is very bullish. Now, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency, currently still establishing support. We have printed a lower low with the 23rd of November daily candle here, a lower low relative to the 19th of November's daily candle. That is a very technical sort of discrepancy there, very minor difference. However, a difference suggesting, further interaction with support is necessary. That is technically a bearish sign. So we're looking for continued solidification of $55,684 as support. We need daily candles continuing to open and close above it. Significant resistance waiting for us overhead. $58,800 per Bitcoin is going to need to be reconfirmed as support. Failure to hold this level down below will send us all the way to $52,746 per Bitcoin. A failure to hold that will bring us all the way down to the most bullish area of support, $48,400 per Bitcoin. A rather unlikely level, though not impossible, and still a bullish area of accumulation for Bitcoin in the overall long-term uptrend. An interaction downward like that would find us interacting with very bullish support, in addition to this 200 daily moving average, which interactions with it and support found off of it is very bullish for the overall health of the longer term uptrend. So as I've kind of been saying, any sort of sideways or downside that we experience moving forward is very bullish for Bitcoin, in my opinion. We have experienced all-time highs very recently, so right now we are experiencing what could be the very final sort of downside necessary before the uptrend can experience some very euphoric gains here. I do anticipate a six-figure Bitcoin by very early next year, in my personal opinion. Technically, nothing is very dramatically bearish at current levels. And if you're following the crypto markets, you are noticing that as Bitcoin is, diminishing in value here and descending in price, finding support, you've noticed, other coins are, perhaps doubling to tripling in value throughout that same kind of time, and other altcoins are experiencing tremendous gains and upside during this time for Bitcoin. So money is very much remaining in crypto. It is flowing out of Bitcoin and into other altcoins. So I do believe this is overall very, very bullish for the entire crypto sphere here. Let me know where you think prices will go in the comments down below. Where do you think Bitcoin is headed? Are you bullish? Are you bearish currently? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.